Okay, let's have a look and see how we can get to Google Support via the admin console. So inside our admin console, we're going to click on our question mark. We're going to open up the Help Assistant. So the Help Assistant is a chatbot that will help you to find common problems or common solutions. So I'm going to go down the back and go down the bottom, go Contact Support. Which of these ones do I want? I want Workspace. Okay, there's a whole lot of things there. I'm going to say this is not my issue. What is my issue? I'm going to say adding, I'm going to spell it correctly, licenses. Let's go search. It will then probably offer me some stuff. There we go. I'm going to go adding licenses via GCDS. Do that. Okay, now down the bottom here, it has given me some suggestions. I can go and have a look at all the stuff here, or I can go, this didn't help, continue to support. Then I get my preferred method of contacting support. Now I find the best way to do it is via chat. If I click on chat and then go continue, what it will do is it will ask me what language I want my chat to be in. Now the benefit of going through chat is you are chatting backwards and forwards with a live operator. It's often a lot easier than getting a phone call. You can choose the phone call method, obviously, but I find that for most people working in schools, the chat method will be the best one. So you start the chat, you'll begin to chat with the support person. They will also send you a transcript at the end of your call and give you a case number that we can help you follow up with if need be. So that's the way you can contact support via chat. Obviously your first port of call is usually your IT services provider, or you can go through this. Now if you are a New Zealand school that has Workspace for Education Plus, you will have two different options to go to Cynic Support or to continue to Google Support. So if you do go through that, you can choose to continue to Google Support and follow exactly the same layout there. So hopefully that helps you to understand how you can find the best support for any problems you might be having with your account via the question mark inside your admin console.